Meaning of halting.
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 Halting. The term halting refers to a state in which a program or algorithm stops running and produces a result. In computing, a halting program will stop executing and produce a result, whereas a non-halting program will not produce a result and continue executing indefinitely. The concept of halting is important in the theory of computation and is used to study the limits of what computers can and cannot do. A program that halts and produces a result is said to be decidable, while a program that does not halt is said to be undecidable.